Battery electric vehicles play a key role to meet the growing need for cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable transport. Volvo Trucks offers a complete range of battery electric trucks suitable for city distribution, refuse collection, regional transportation, and urban construction. Our battery electric trucks can be charged via either fast or overnight charging, using the same standards as passenger cars. Battery electric trucks produce zero exhaust emissions of carbon dioxide, particles, or nitrogen oxides. Their full environmental potential is reached if powered by renewable electricity. Thanks to low noise and zero exhaust emissions, electric vehicles can avoid peak hour congestion by making deliveries in urban areas at night and even indoors. This also contributes to an excellent working environment for drivers. Battery electric vehicles are already here today, contributing to the shift towards sustainable transport.